I'm Thomas. I'm a software engineer here at GitLab, and I want to show you a really cool feature that I've been working on. It landed in the GitLab CLI in version 194, and it allows me to migrate the GitLab merge request command skill that I was already showing you 2 months ago almost fully to GitLab. It used to be this node go binary that I created, and instead you can just use GitLab. So without further ado, this is the first example. This is a merge request that has 4 comments on it, and I want my agent to address those comments, push the changes, and respond to those comments. So I run Duo on the branch, and I ask it to address the feedback, commit the changes, respond to the comments. And here you have it. It read all the comments, applied the changes, and now responded with the AI-generated message. Let's have a look how that looks on the merge request. Here we've got the next commit, and we do have all the AI-generated responses. So that's use case number 1. Use case number 2 is to let your agent to do merge request reviews. So you see I have the add search branch for merge request number 2 checked out, and I ask the agent to review the changes and post the findings on the merge request. And there you have it. Duo created the targeted nodes using targeted comments on different diff lines using the GitLab MR node create feature. And if I'll refresh the merge request, there should be plenty of AI-generated feedback comments on the merge request. And that's all. So you can use that today with the GitLab version 194. You can use this skill in any AI harness. It can be open code Claude, or I showcased it in Duo CLI, and we'll backport it to the community managed GitLab skill as well. Thanks for watching.